Hello, everybody. Meteorologist Hutch Johnson joining you. Unsettled weather the next few days with some significant rain returning to the region and a wind. I'll have details in this version of Hutch's weather.
Now, a Hutch's weather update with Chief Meteorologist Hutch Johnson, brought to you by Robert Gibb and Sons.
All right, thanks to my fine sponsors at Robert Gibb & Sons. Thanks to you for watching. Cold weather in Colorado right now, particularly the mountains of Wyoming and Montana as well, where Great Falls has 32 degrees. 37 as you look on the North Shore there near Fort Peck. And as we take a look in our area, low 50s is all we're mustering. It is 61 in the Twin Cities this hour. As far as our satellite and radar are concerned across the region, we have finally dried out, although it's not hot out there. And we do have some scattered showers of rain showing up down in parts of Nebraska. Unsettled weather developing there. Will be returning to our neck of the woods as well. So that's what we're going to keep in mind. And first thing we're going to look at is the forecast digits for your Tuesday to get you what you need to know. For tonight, nothing unsettled. It will be quite chilly though. Look at these lows, well below freezing along the international border, 20s and low 30s. Low 30s in the Red River Valley as we go down to the far south, closer to 40 degrees. The Twin Cities, 45, Bemidji, 34, War Road, 36 degrees. And Bismarck, Mandan at 43 for your overnight temperature. Then as we head into the afternoon, only near 50 for Grand Forks and Fargo. Look at the 40s out here. Chance of rain moving in from the south. So Tuesday begins our rain chances across the region. How much you say? Well, let's see if I can answer that. On your Tuesday and into Wednesday, there'll be a chance for mainly showers in the south as we go through. And the 7-day planner show there's more where that came from. Now, Wednesday, 61 degrees, spotty showers mainly in the south. Probably our driest day as we go through midweek, but look at the temperatures ramping up from 50 to 60 to near 70 degrees on your Thursday as things really warm up. The south winds lacing the air with moisture. Showers, scattered showers and thunder showers on Thursday with the best chance of things becoming a little on the wet side there. Temperatures will cool off as we head into the weekend, but it does look pleasant and sunny. We're calling it 55 both Saturday and Sunday right now. Pleasantly cool indeed. Very gusty though on your Saturday, the way things are looking next week. Uh-oh, I got a blue highlight here. That's 28 degrees, and that's not very balmy. Severe lack of balm in the forecast as we look at your Monday planner. Now, as we go into Thursday, the wet day, here's where things look to be soggy. We'll have passing showers from south to north through the Southern Valley, so most of the rain chances will drift northward throughout the day, but I do think we'll pick up measurable rain in and around the Southern Valley. And look at this, out to the west, another day with some soggy soakers out there, indeed, with around an inch of rain possible. Scattered showers bringing a few tenths of an inch for most in Minnesota. But as you see here with the purple pockets are isolated pockets of an inch or so possible with that weather system. So thanks so very much for joining me on this. Let's take a look at what we have going on with regards to that Friday forecast. Still a chance of rain in the late week forecast. As most of that rain pushes up north, we'll have some cooler air blasting down for the weekend, as I showed you. Behind this line of showers making its way in, we will have some gusty winds to start your weekend. Now let's take a look at that hour-by-hour forecast and show you what it is that I'm anticipating in our neck of the woods as far as our shower chances go heading into the overnight and tomorrow. So here we go. As we set this into motion, what you're going to notice is that we'll see that the coldest of the air with the blue line, it will be up in our northern counties. Cold high pressure for our morning hours. That's where things will get the coldest, where you see the H. Increasing clouds and winds from the south and southeast across our region. In South Dakota, the wind won't be too bad as we go through your mid-morning here in the valley. This model says drifting showers of rain on your Tuesday, passing from south to north, and shows a pretty robust chance of some showers of rain. I will show you another model that has done fairly well of late with regards to our rain shower chances. Here's your cold morning high pressure. They're both equal on that as we start the day with passing light isolated sprinkles in the forecast. So Tuesday will not be the wettest day of the forecast period, but I cannot rule out some passing clouds and showers on a cool day. How about that extended forecast? Let's show you that late week stuff as we go into that, well, European model for the details on this. And by the way, just so you know, as we went through the weekend, last week I was talking about those chances of snow. And the American model did the better job on predicting that snow several days in advance. So we'll chalk one up for the good old-fashioned American model. Tuesday sprinkles here and there, mainly in South Dakota. Then as we go into the afternoon on your hump day, we'll see spotty sprinkles at best. And then as we go into the afternoon and overnight into your Thursday morning, it does look like we're going to have hit and miss showers, rumbles of thunder, not all uncommon as low pressure makes its way in. So Thursday, passing showers moving north to south, as I told you, locally heavy rain from these gully washers out there as warm southerly winds will continue to blow into Friday morning, but then it quickly and abruptly becomes west northwesterly, and you can wave goodbye to that nice little warm up. See the blue line there? That's kind of cold weather. And as we take a look at the advancement of that cold weather, this model's still showing that is a big, strong storm system as we go into the 22nd of the month. A lot of rain, a lot of wind, warm in Minnesota and the valley, not so warm out to the west. We'll have a mix and some snow potential heading into the late portion or the latter third of the month. That is a look at your weather. I'm meteorologist Hutch Johnson. Thanks so very much. One more peek at that 7-day forecast. And of course, hutchesweather.com, where you can get the 7-day forecast right at the top of the page. Allow my website to follow your device's location, and it will plug in your local location to the 7-day planner. Or hit the gear right above Hutch's head here and enter your city if you want to say watch the weather somewhere else. That's a look. There's your fall colors, most abrupt in the northern part of the valley where things are past their peak, but still some good color viewing. From central Minnesota down to the south, you can also see other national average color dates as we go through. Brad checking in from Cullum, 54 degrees. Thank you so very much for watching, and I appreciate each and every one of you for your stars. Jeanette, thank you so very much for that, your support through all these years, and I'm going to be needing your ideas coming soon. But for now, we'll check out, and I'll have another update a little bit later.
This has been a Hutch's Weather Update with Chief Meteorologist Hutch Johnson. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching Hutch's Weather. Anywhere, anytime at hutchesweather.com.